Alright everyone, welcome to the next video in the series on how to use Teams. I'm Mr. V.
Thanks, Mr. V. My name's Mr. Rushdie, and in this video we're going to talk about Microsoft Teams on the desktop and on the phone. Back to you, Mr. V.
So in this video, we're talking about the Teams app itself. On the desktop version, you'll see Activity, Chat, and Teams. Today we're going to click on Teams first. Here, you'll see all the classes that your teachers have added you, as well as school community and any clubs that you're a part of. Let's click on our first class. When we go in here, we see that we now have a top bar. Along this top bar, you'll see posts, files, class notebook, assignments, and grades. On the side here, you'll see the various channels that your teacher has created. The one that you will definitely see in every class is the general channel. What's that? Now, for a closer look at the top bar, let's send it to Mr. Davis.
Thank you, Mr. V. Let's take a closer look at our posts section. So in the posts, you are going to see any scheduled meetings by your teacher, any of the chats that you've had with your teacher in those meetings, and all the recordings are going to be found in there. So if you're ever lost, or if you ever want to have a record of what happened, go to the post section. Everything's there. Alright, let's deal with the next one, Files. In your Files tab, you will find all the information, the resources that your teacher has posted for you in this folder. You are also able to upload any files that you would like to share with the rest of your classroom in this folder. Next, let's look at assignments. You see the assignment tab up there? Click it, and all the assignments for the class, you'll find it there. Do your assignments. Well, Mr. V, that's all we have for tabs. Back to you.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Davis. Let's send it off to Mr. Rushdie now to look at the mobile version of Teams.
Oh, yeah, one second. Okay, thanks, Mr. V. So we're going to talk about phones today, Microsoft Teams on the phone. When you open the app, you're going to see at the bottom bar down below, you're going to see Activity, Chat, Teams. Click on the Teams tab. What opens up is a list of your classrooms, the school community, and different clubs. And once you click on one of those, you just tap. It'll show you the channels that are available. The normal channel where all the calls happen to actually join the class is called General under every single one. General is your best friend. Click on General. Once you get into there, then you're going to see some options at the top, which are posts, files,